What if I told you holding a digital image can turn you into a millionaire? The key to this money-making image is held in 3 words stacked together. And these 3 words are non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Let's dig in and understand what NFTs really are and how they're able to turn people into millionaires. Firstly, why NFTs? To understand what or how these NFTs work, let's first understand how humans value things. Throughout history, humans have valued things that are rare, like gold or diamond, but they're still found more than one in number of units. So humans found value in things that are only limited in number or not replaceable like the Mona Lisa. Jumping to your own school days, you may remember those cricket or wrestling cards where your classmates would value a rare card like that of Sachin Tendulkar or John Cena a lot more, and you would be its sole owner. Similar to rare and limited items that have value, humans have valued all the firsts in life. Like the first ever tweet on Twitter by Jack Dorsey was sold for a whopping $2.916 million to hold via an NFT. In recent times, humans have also valued things owned by famous people like Scarlett Johansson's used tissue, which was sold for $5,000, and Kate Winslet's dress in the movie Titanic, which was sold for $330,000. Thus, people around the world realize that non-replaceable things have very high value, at least for a niche group of people. And thus, the idea to bring non-replaceable ownership to the digital world was born. And we saw the introduction of smart contracts making this possible now. Refer to our video on Ethereum to know more about smart contracts. But what are NFTs? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. As in our examples above, you can relate fungibility to replaceability. Fungible items are interchangeable and indistinguishable from each other. Like your 10 rupee note is the same as my 10 rupee note. Whereas a non-fungible item is something that is not interchangeable. Like Virat Kohli's cricket card will not have the same value as the card of a Ranji Trophy player. Even in the case of the same player's card, factors like which IPL season's card it is or the physical condition of the card today would determine its value, thus making a card non-replaceable or non-fungible. So NFTs are digital tokens that give you the right to a specific asset which does not change over time and is not changeable with another. So each NFT is different, and on a technical level, it is data. It can be the first tweet by Jack Dorsey, or a rare NBA moment video clip, or even a digital artwork or painting stored on an address on the blockchain. And whoever has the password to that address owns that piece of data. This piece of data can be bought and sold after being verified on the blockchain, allowing you to own a specific non-replaceable or a collectible item, and also for anyone to check its owner history. So what makes an NFT valuable? People today buy NFTs as a collectible investment class. And here are some of the reasons why NFTs are valuable. The first one is the ability to generate passive income. Holding an NFT gives the owner a periodic set of income in terms of some tokens. Like the holders of the token Cyberkongs get 10 banana tokens every day for the next 10 years. Today, the value of one banana token is $60, taking the daily earnings to $600. But this can go higher or lower based on how the price of one banana token moves. The second reason is to buy first of something. Like owning the first ever tweet is valuable for anyone in the Twitter community. That is why at the start of a video we mentioned it was sold for $2.916 million. Third reason is to own something that is super rare in the world, like the original painting of Mona Lisa, which has value due to its history and rarity. Fourth reason is the real world value of an NFT. Imagine if the holders of an NFT produced by Arijit Singh could gain access to all of his concerts and private parties. This automatically makes an NFT super valuable. Another example of this is, let's say Arijit decides to launch an NFT where all holders will get 2% revenue of all his albums ever produced. Again, making this NFT super valuable by the virtue of real life application. Last reason for a high value NFT is its past owner. Like the items owned by actors or famous celebrities go for a high value. The value of an NFT held by a celebrity also shoots up due to the social value that it represents. Thus, owning an NFT that was previously owned by Deepika Padukone is likely to have a higher value than an NFT that was owned by me. With this, if you decide to buy an NFT, please make sure you see what all boxes it checks off to know if you get the right value for money. As always, feel free to ask your questions down below in the comment section or ping us on Twitter at Flint.money.
If this new and smart money excites you, come explore ways to generate wealth through crypto.
Explore Flint.money to earn up to 13% interest per annum.
If you're liking what you're watching, subscribe to our YouTube channel.